Hey guys, this is Chance Williams. A lot of you guys have these vehicles like this Avalanche, or any Chevrolet product or any Ford product, pretty much anything with a canister vent control system on it, which pretty much everything does. Customers complaining about the not taking fuel properly, or actually taking fuel slow. Customers already replaced the charcoal canister, and what a fine job he did. This is pretty cool. He did a good job. But anyway, he also replaced the purge control valve as well. We're going to show you that. The purge control valve on this truck. And if there were any trouble codes, there were not here when the truck got here. So anyway, this is your purge control valve up here. So we'll take it off, get it out of the way, and get that bolt out of the way and show y'all. If y'all can see inside that, yes, I know this is probably my very first video, and I'm not the best at this yet. Hopefully I'll get better. But anyway, look at those little bitty hard pieces coming. Look at that. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm gonna get this right here so I can see what y'all see. Anyway, these little bitty pellets right here, is what actually came out of the charcoal canister. And a lot of this is related to packing, is what I call it. When you go to packing fuel systems, you just keep on until you get to that number that you wanted. I highly do not recommend that you do this. These hoses and stuff, they're just full of it. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but let's disconnect one. See if we can get them disconnected here. You gotta be careful. You really don't want to break anything. A little fuel loss there. A lot of times if these connectors don't come loose, what I found works is if you use air and blow them out. It works pretty good. So we're gonna push this way, and that way, this way again. We're gonna pull it off of here. And boy, is she stubborn. Losing some fuel, but that's okay. Well, I thought I had this unhooked. I guess I didn't. Really didn't want to have it unhooked. I guess I'm gonna have to. Usually I just slide them right out and they come right out. But anyway, we'll try it this way. Golly. All right. So here's one of the lines right here. If y'all can see, this is the stuff that's actually coming out of these lines. And that is all from the charcoal canister. So we're gonna hook up our airline over here. And I think I already got it hooked up. Yep, right here. We're gonna give it a little push, and y'all watch what comes out. Y'all see that stuff blowing out of there? Lord of mercy. That one's a little more restricted than I like. We'll try this one. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at all this stuff coming out right here. Making a big old mess. Well, that's pretty much what happens when your fuel tank decides it don't want to take any fuel. All these little pellets and stuff in here, all this stuff right here is coming from the charcoal canister.